When it comes to choosing a toilet, American Standard is a trusted name. But are their toilets truly worth the investment? In this video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and durability to help you decide. Overview of American Standard toilets. American Standard has been a household name for decades, known for providing reliable, high-quality toilets at an affordable price. Their toilets are packed with thoughtful features like water-saving technology, powerful flushing systems such as the Vormax, and comfort height designs. Popular models like the Cadet 3 and Champion 4 have become favorites, offering the perfect balance of efficiency and comfort. Whether you're upgrading an old toilet or renovating your bathroom, American Standard offers options that cater to different needs, with a reputation for durability that stands the test of time. Let's take a closer look at what sets them apart. Sources: Home Depot, Best of Machinery. Flushing performance and efficiency. One of American Standard's biggest strengths is its powerful flushing systems. The Champion 4, known for its clog-free performance, uses just 1.28 gallons per flush, GPF, and meets WaterSense standards, making it a great eco-friendly choice. Similarly, the Vormax system is engineered to provide a powerful flush while minimizing water usage, ensuring waste removal with fewer flushes, saving you money on water bills. Compared to other brands, American Standard toilets stand out with their combination of strong flushing power and water efficiency. For anyone concerned about water usage without sacrificing performance, American Standard toilets offer a smart, sustainable solution. Whether you're looking to conserve water or reduce your household's environmental footprint, these toilets won't disappoint. Sources: Family Handyman, This Old House. Durability and maintenance. American Standard toilets are built to last. Known for using high-quality materials, these toilets are designed for long-term reliability. One standout feature is the EverClean surface, which helps prevent the growth of mold, mildew, and bacteria, reducing cleaning time and making maintenance a breeze. This feature alone can extend the life of your toilet, reducing the frequency of repairs and keeping it looking fresh for years. When it comes to maintenance, American Standard models are relatively low maintenance compared to other brands. While higher-end toilets might have advanced features, American Standard keeps things simple with well-built, durable toilets that require minimal upkeep. If you're looking for a hassle-free toilet that won't cost you an arm and a leg to maintain, American Standard is a solid choice. Sources: Home Depot, DIY Network. Comfort and design features. Comfort is a key consideration for many when choosing a toilet, and American Standard delivers. Many of their models feature the comfort height design, which raises the seat height to make sitting and standing easier for users of all ages, especially seniors. Whether you're after a one-piece or two-piece design, American Standard gives you options to suit your style. Their toilets feature ergonomic bowl shapes that prioritize comfort, while the sleek, modern look complements most bathroom aesthetics. While some high-end brands may boast luxury features like heated seats or smart technology, American Standard focuses on practical, everyday comfort at a price that won't break the bank. If comfort and simplicity are at the top of your list, American Standard delivers just that without any unnecessary frills. Sources: Best of Machinery, Family Handyman. Customer satisfaction and value for money. Customer reviews consistently praise American Standard toilets for their reliability, performance, and overall value. Many users highlight the ease of installation, water-saving features, and powerful flushing systems. While some mention minor issues such as assembly complexity or occasional inconsistency in materials, the majority are thrilled with their purchase. The brand strikes a perfect balance between price and performance, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. Compared to premium brands like Kohler or Toto, American Standard delivers comparable performance at a fraction of the price. Thanks to their water-saving technologies and durable construction, you're not just buying a toilet, you're investing in long-term savings. If you're seeking a solid, dependable toilet that won't break the bank, American Standard offers exceptional value. Sources: Home Depot, Bob Vila. Is it worth the investment? So, is American Standard worth the investment? For most homeowners, the answer is a resounding yes. If you're looking for a toilet that offers powerful flushing, water efficiency, and durability, all at an affordable price, then American Standard is hard to beat. Models like the Champion 4 are perfect for those who prioritize clog-free performance, while the Cadet 3 offers a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing efficiency. Their 1.28 GPF rating is ideal for water conservation, helping you save on utility bills while also benefiting the environment. However, if you're after high-tech features like heated seats, touchless flushing, or advanced smart functionality, you may want to explore premium brands like Kohler or Toto. But for anyone seeking a straightforward, reliable, and cost-effective toilet that lasts, American Standard is the go-to option. The brand's commitment to quality, affordability, and customer satisfaction makes it a top choice for those who want a high-performance toilet without the hefty price tag. With their reputation for durability and excellent value, American Standard toilets are a smart investment for most households. Sources: Home Depot, Family Handyman. In conclusion, American Standard toilets provide unbeatable value with powerful flushing, water efficiency, and durability. If you want a reliable, affordable toilet that delivers on performance, it's definitely worth considering. Share your thoughts in the comments.